friends, it's Yana here today, and today we are doing an unboxing. I got an order from Wawak. Okay, let me tell you, if you are looking for somewhere to shop for supplies for sewing, this is the place to go. Wawak is an online store, but they have so many good things, and they are really reasonably priced, and they have super quick shipping. So make sure you check them out. Today, we're going to unbox what I got. All right, so I am super excited about this. I love everything I have gotten from Wawak. One of the main things I buy from Wawak is my threads. I buy thread from Wawak. I buy elastic from Wawak. Buy like the big spools of elastic because they have the best. Ah! That just landed on my hand. It hurts so bad. It just hit my hand at the right spot. Oh. Okay. I just hit my hand. Okay. Alright, let me show you what I got. Alright, let's dive into this big box first, and then I'll show you what's on this little box. First of all, so if you follow me on Instagram, maybe you might have seen that I went live on Instagram with my friend Jessica and my friend Vanessa, and we just talked about different things. And one of the things we talked about was rotary cutters. And then we talked about rotary blades and how, you know, they're kind of expensive and they go dull so quickly and whatnot. And Jessica brought up the fact that they are rotary blade sharpeners. And someone mentioned that they got theirs from Wawak, and I was like, what? I never known about this. I want to use my rotary blade until it's completely dull, but I went ahead and ordered a sharpener for my rotary blade. So that is one thing I got, dual rotary blade sharpener. We're gonna try it. Maybe not on this video, but check out my Instagram. We're gonna try it and see if it works. I'm so excited about this because if it works, that's gonna be amazing. So that's one thing I got. Then I got some applique scissors. If you see right here, they're the special scissors. So it's nice because you can kind of trim around the fabric without worrying that you're going to cut through. So it kind of separates the fabric in a nice, delicate way. And it helps you cut like the delicate fabrics, the appliques and stuff like that. So I wanted this scissor, so I'm super excited. I got a smaller rotary blade refill. I got some thread snips because you can never have enough, and I feel like I'm always looking for them and I never know where they're at, and I'm like, where did I put them? So I got another one. Same with my seam ripper. I can never find it, so these are super inexpensive, so I figured I'll go ahead and grab another one. And a marking pen because I am always using up my marking pens, or I need more, or I can't find mine. This is a disappearing ink. I got a few more things. I was super excited to get this ruler right here. This is a design ruler. This is a drafting ruler, which is really nice for these curved edges. So if I want to, like if I'm sewing something and I want to, if I'm going to go ahead and hack a pattern or change a pattern, and I want to kind of fix the sleeve a little bit or fix the curve or something, fix my hip curve. This is for hip curve right here, for armhole curve right here. I mean, it's so nice. You have all these curves that it helps you to find the curve. So I was really excited that they had this one because I've been wanting this one for a while. And then in this bag, I got some swim cups. I'm always looking for swim cups. These are really nice. They're not super thick because last time I bought swim cups, they were so thick. These are just nice swim cups. And they're sew-in, non-surge round foam sewing cups for swimsuits. And they were 12 pair. No, Yeah, there's 12 pairs. So this is great because summer's coming and I'm not gonna wanna make some bathing suits. So I wanted to stock up on my swim cups. And I also, like, even if I buy like already made swimsuits, a lot of times I will sew in the swim cups. So it's not like I wanna interchange them. So I want a pack of them so that I can sew them to my swimsuits. I don't like them moving around, getting all bendy in the wash, and it's just so annoying. So this is good. All right, now the last thing I got is this right here. It's a cutting mat. And you say you already have a cutting mat. I do. I have 2 cutting mats from Wawak already. But I want to buy another one because I wanted it to go along my table. Here it is. It's a big mat and I wanted to put it along my table. Trying to get it, well, I have to open it. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna put it across my table and I've got 2 already and this will be my 3rd one, and then they're gonna make this huge mat over my table so I can just lay my whole piece down and not have to worry about the fact that it has to be this wide to fit on my table. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this over there and show you what it looks like, and that's it. That's all I got. I did not get any thread this time, but I always get, I mentioned earlier, I get their Maxi Lock serger thread from there, which I love. And there's some bunch of other things that I get from there. So if you're looking for a place, I know one of our favorite stores, it's closing its doors. This is the perfect place to go to. Wawak is the perfect place to go to get those supplies at a way cheaper price, honestly. That's how I feel about that. But anyway, I hope that you're having a great day. And let me know what you think below. Have you ordered at Wawak, or is this your first time hearing about them? What do you think? All right, so don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my tutorials. Go check out other tutorials. This was just an unboxing. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye. All right, so here is my whole set. It is so long. I can set everything on my table. Like, look, it's as wide, it's as long as I am, so I can set like a whole dress on here and be able to cut it up. I'm so excited about it. I love